Is this the end of sidecar racing at the Isle of Man TT? Surely not. Sidecar racing has been going on in the Isle of Man since June 1923, when the first sidecar race was won by Freddie Dixon and passenger Walter Denny at speeds approaching 50 miles an hour. But now, after over 100 years of racing, its time may have come to an end. Or has it? By now you may have heard of the incident with the Crow brothers the other night in qualifying, which led to the cancellation of the racing and of the remaining practice for the rest of this year's TT due to a safety review carried out by the organisers of the event. It's left a lot of people very concerned that this is a move that means we won't see sidecars on the Isle of Man racing anymore. Hopefully it's a short-term measure to ensure the safety of the teams, and that after a review and revision to regulations, that next year there will be a full card again for the sidecars and we'll see them back on the Isle of Man. I know, as a lifelong fan of the TT, the sidecars hold a special place of excitement and enjoyment for us fans. They hold a charm that the solos just don't have. As good as the solos are, we love to see the sidecars out there. I am sure it will be a massive loss to everyone involved in the TT if we don't see a reinstatement of sidecar racing next year. So please, organisers, do a review, get the science and the physics of this right. Get these things pinned to the floor so we don't have another incident like this, and we can see some exciting racing again after 103 years. We want to keep our sidecars. Save our sidecars.